So today, after we recreate the mobile version for the web version and slicing for UI, in this section I just wanna tell about library I use. The name is React Native Swiper. The default behaviors is just like that. You can swipe right, swipe left, and I want my to-do list is basically a to-do list habit for today. I just want like Tinder card or Bumble card. It's like that. So after I slicing the UI, I just integration with the data in this code. We use habit today. This is hook. It will fetching with React query. Then I mapping data with variable habit today. Then I just implement with the state management. This is use habit store. The store is with sustain because I want to implement with the another component. So I make state management for this screen. After that, we just simplify the swiper component. Maybe we can make a new screen for default component. What I change a lot for my purpose with the swipe deck card. So I want to deck TSX, and right now we can just make like this. So most likely it will be appear in this button because this is not React component. So I want to make like this. I want click in the navigation, then will be show like that. So we back in the Chrome. I want to implement for default template or example for the repo, and then paste in here. We paste maybe one-on-one, no copy paste at all, because we can adjust. No, wait, can adjust like that. This is in the outside component, and just import for type of image. Then the icon will be placeholder, URI placeholder image APA. I think this placeholder I want to use, this is copy like that, then change. So and then we're gonna copy, and for this example like that, side of the component, this is variable use ref, render in here. This is split component, so we can just copy the return with gesture and view. The button we can change because we not make the button. Then this for the style, can import in here, import this, but for this we can use button, and design we can use this. Why this is not work? This change on press, no, this is pressable, not the button. This is 24, maybe this reload, and this change with on press, and this change with pressable, change attribute on tab to on press, then change is with 24, then is change with pressable, it is on press. This is 24, this is down, change with pressable, on tab will be changed on press, is up 24 visible. On press this 24 number for the index. This is number 2, this is number 2. Maybe with sweeper. Why just like image like that? Yes, this is the setup initializing for the component. We can refresh, maybe because the placeholder. We can use another one for the placeholder. How to get randomly? You can change this, and you can be render items max. I think so in here. Nah, this is how you can solve the problem for the image component. This is images length, images. This is for the setup. I don't know why this is not work. I think error in this the example. We can just switch in here, and this is the result. We can know, maybe we can push on the view button container, because this is covering with navigation tab. So 18, yes, this is the button, this is the value. You can switch like that and reset again, and when you click flip, it will be flip. This will be swipe up, swipe down, and this is error happen when you can optimize the card. So this is the example, and for my case I will be back in home. So for my case, I want to use the button in below of the card, because I want this directly in the inside of the card for the button. So if you in the left side, your card will be swipe in the left. If you click in the middle of white container, you can swipe the card and see the description. So this is very example. This is example how I can configure with myself. If you want the card existing is up to date and re-render, you can use attribute K for re-render of the card, and will be happen if the data activation habit is changed. Because of that, if you see on the on swipe right or on the on swipe left, in this section I just call set timeout and move habit to end. So basically it will be change of rotation of array data. So in first array will be changed to last index array. Why I use set timeout before we call the move habit to end? Because it just practice live in here. It is commented, you can see it. If you not set off the timeout, nah, there are no animation and just lagging when you swipe off left, because the default duration for the animation is 500. So I can use set timeout for the finish of animation, then you will call the move habit to end. So in here, when you can swipe, this is very smooth animation for swipe live. Then I use output overlay label for opacity. When you swipe left, it will be overlay your swipe with the bottom with the card like this. And for the opacity range, it configure in here. And for disable swipe button on left, I use property disable bottom swipe and disable top swipe. So for the overlay label ref, I make a component again for this overlay. Okay, and for the loop, I think this is not very work. I don't know, because if I not config with this, it will be bug. There is no card anymore if you not use for the example. And then if you want implement with the button insert and swap, I just send a ref to the component habit card. So in the component habit card, we can use in the pressable button for the trigger of swipe left function and swipe right function. And for swipe the card, I just make pressable for the white container and then call the function of flip card. So basically like that, my adjustment for the swipe deck card is like inspiration for Tinder or Bumble. And for right now, I don't know why the button is not work anymore. What can I do? Maybe it will be reset. Okay, this is for indicator in the top of card swipe deck. I use indicator for now what card remains in here, and if you swipe, this will be switch the color, right, the card color, so you can know what the remains of the card. Okay, maybe just like that for the configuration of React Native swap list, and maybe you can know the key of what should you do if you want make like this. This is very important for re-render your data. Okay, see you. Thank you for watching.